We like using Peugeot Pepper Mills because they never break. They're extremely durable.
Expert reviews.
This is a Peugeot Pepper Mill. We use Peugeots specifically in the kitchen, but this one is great for the home use. This is a stainless steel pepper mill. They make things to be in a professional kitchen. The grind is nice. It's an adjustable grind. They last forever. Again, another pepper mill I've had for 6 years. They make things to last. You'll see these in all the tables of France. You'll see these in all our kitchens. We like fresh pepper all the time, and the reason we like fresh pepper is it gives a nice amplified taste. Grind is a lot more fresh. The oils in the peppercorns come out much more rather than just kind of the basic table ground pepper that you see in all the grocery stores. The mechanics of it just work better. Breaking it down, it's easy to clean. I'd recommend this again for professional chefs. We already know about this. This is one of the secrets in the kitchen, but I recommend this to home cooks that like to cook a lot but don't want to sit there with a coffee mill or grind pepper or go out to the store and get their pepper. I put a small amount of pepper in this and then grind through it at home. This can sit on your counter and is right next to where you cook all the time and is user-friendly from the counter to the table.